Hey, how's it going? My name is Frank Kitchen, professional speaker and Talkadot user. Now you're probably wondering, why do I use Talkadot? How do I find out about it? Well, quite simply, all my friends, we had this group called the Secret Society of Speakers, and a couple of these speakers started using Talkadot, talking about, hey Frank, we're getting references, getting referrals, we're actually getting marketing collateral off of this app. I'm like, okay, wait a second. I don't gotta click business cards, I don't gotta call people up, I gotta do emails, I don't have to work as much. Let me find out about this. And I met with this dude called Arel, who actually started the company, and Arel told me how it works. Now, it's funny because Arel's a speaker, so you got all these companies who sell products and services to you, but they don't understand the speaking game, so I got an app that's created by a speaker to do what we all want, get more business. So I joined in on the Zoom call, he walked me through the program, didn't even try to sell me, he goes, go try it out, because they actually have a point where you can just try it out to see if it works. And my first program out, I got 10 leads where people said, hey, you know what, we want to book you. I had their email, I had their phone number, and I had a little checkbox saying, we want to work with you. And all I had to do was put a QR code up on the screen. So the thing is, if you want to get booked for more work, all you got to do is invest in this little program called Talkadot. They're going to give you this fun little unicorn, because guess what? It's a unicorn app out there to make sure speakers get booked, not only once, but continuously, over and over and over again.